Hi students, my name is Ramya. Today we are going to discuss about life skills topic my aspirations from class 7. What is an aspiration? An aspiration is a desire or ambition for which someone is motivated to work very hard. In our lives, everyone should have an aspiration. I hope everyone is having some aspiration like I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer, or I want to become an astronaut. Like this, everyone has some ambitions. These are nothing but aspirations. So, today we are going to do an activity by listening a story about my aspirations. Here, the story name is Give Me Any Task, I am capable of doing all of them. So, let's start our story. Give me any task, I am capable of doing all of them, says Pratap. So, here, if you see, this story is about Pratap, and first he is introducing about himself. Raja Mahendra Pratap is 29 years old. His friends call him Pratap, Mahendra, or Raja. Pratap hails from Hyderabad, which is in Andhra Pradesh. That means he lives in Hyderabad. When he was 5 years old, a date changed his life forever. His friend challenged Pratap to stick an iron rod into an open electric wire. He accepted the challenge, and within seconds, electricity ran through his entire body. Due to this, the doctors had to amputate half of his legs and hands. Pratap had to remain in his home and room for the next 10 years. Pratap couldn't attend school from age 6 to 16. Tailors and doctors had to be called home for stitching his clothes and treating him. Since he couldn't walk, he would crawl on the floor, which scattered his skin at the joints. His father was ashamed of him, and the society looked down at him. He could not meet anyone, nor could he continue his life as usual. It was then he decided that he would not let his situation dictate his life. Gradually, he learned to walk with the help of his mouth and ankle. He would try to lift things. His elder sister stood by him and encouraged him. He studied their school books and learned as much as he could. He also got a cobbler to custom make shoes for him. He cleared his 10th and 12th standard exams without attending school. For the first time, he stepped out of his home. His joys had no limits. From that time onwards, there was no looking back for him. He cleared his BCom and completed his MBA from Usmania University. He also got a scholarship that enabled him to study further. Once he completed his studies, he started looking for a job. He received a lot of interview calls, but once the interviewers saw him, their attitude changed. Nobody was willing to believe that he would be able to accomplish the work allotted to him. The attitude of society towards him disturbed him, but he continued his search for a job. Finally, he was hired as an assistant manager in National Housing Bank, Delhi. Over the years, Pratap has earned a lot of respect and love from everyone. Gradually, people began to see his potential and willpower. Now, he can efficiently use the computer with his mouth and ankle, and he can write with the help of his jaws and walk on his knees. He has not let his situation hold him back and he continues to lead a happy and healthy life. Today, this young man is full of confidence as he works as a finance and accounts officer at ONGC Ahmedabad. He not only goes to work every day but earns well, lives on his own, and is completely self reliant. He also helps other students like him to study further. Pratap is a living example of how grit, determination, and perseverance can make any obstacle or hurdle, no matter how big, seem small and conquerable. I hope you all heard the story, and this is a real story which has happened in Pratap's life. The moral of the story is nothing is impossible with determination and focus, and you can achieve any dream of yours with the help of your determination and focus. Give me any task, I am capable of doing all of them. After listening to this story, it helps you to explore your personal goals and aspirations in your life. This story made us aware of the possibilities that life may give us any task, and we should be capable of doing all of them to reach our aspirations. In life, there are various options and opportunities available for each person. It is important to link oneself to some core values and personal goals while planning for the future. I hope Pratap's story inspires you all a lot to complete your aspirations in the same way Pratap did. So, let's start an assessment regarding this aspiration topic. The assessment is having three Romans. First Roman is answer the following questions. It is related to the story we heard about Pratap. First question is what is an aspiration? Second one, what happened to Pratap when he was 5 years old? And the third one, in which bank did Pratap hide as an assistant manager? Fourth one, what is the help Pratap doing for students? Fifth one, what he can do with the help of his mouth and ankle. These are the questions and you have to answer these questions. Coming to the second Roman, fill in the blanks. These fill in the blanks are also related to the story. Third Roman is about describe about your aspiration in 5 sentences. That means you have to write about your aspiration, what you want to become. So that is all of the assessment. I hope you all like the video. Thank you.